I'm not much of an athlete, but I love sports because inherently sports teach us so much about life. We all know that in every game there are game changers. It may be the way a fumble bounces. It may be the way somebody arises and at a goal line stand, they stop the fullback. Those are game changers. But what I'm really interested in would be life changers. And life changing occurs when we share the good news of Jesus Christ with the people around us. People are broken, they are hurting, they are perishing. People are headed to hell. And we are called to intervene. We're called to be the game changer. And that happens when we function as the Lord's life changer. We share Jesus Christ with our world, and we most effectively do that when we are a cooperating team. First Baptist, we are huge supporters of the cooperative program because we believe that CP is really a Christ-honoring partnership. Christ-honoring partnership. We can do more together than we can separately. Years ago, I read this story about a Percheron horse, which is a huge draft horse. They attached the horse to a sled and it pulled by itself 3,000 pounds. That was the maximum limit. But if you put them together, if you put two horses together, that increases to 12,000 pounds. It's synergistic. That's precisely what happens in the kingdom. That's why the Lord told us in 1 Corinthians 12 and in Romans 12, we are a team and we should blend our talents and resources together so that we can do so much more to advance the cause of Christ than we could possibly do by ourselves. First Baptist, we've chosen to significantly increase our gift. As a matter of fact, this year, I believe when you put a pencil to it, the increase will amount to about 30,000 extra kingdom dollars. You may say, well, why would you put 30,000 extra dollars into the cooperative program? Because it goes all the way around the world supporting 10,000 missionaries, but not only those 10,000 missionaries, we also support their 10,000 dependents. We support seminary students. We help senior adults and children. We help students become equipped to be kingdom builders. It's like a kingdom mutual fund. I cannot think of a better investment. I cannot think of a more efficient way to spend a kingdom dollar than through the CP, our Christ-honoring partnership, our cooperative program.